Hi you guys, so today is National Wine Day and you guys know I love celebrating national food holidays. So I thought what better way to celebrate National Wine Day is to make some wine gummy bears. So these are definitely gummy bears that are not for the kids, so keep them out of reach. But I have these gummy bear molds that I got these off of Amazon. They are really fun. I have made in the past gummy bears for my kids. Haven't made them in a while, but I am going to use these today to make some wine gummy bears. Super duper easy. Red wine, you can use white wine also, or a rosé, and some unflavored gelatin. And then I'm also going to add in some sugar. I'm going to cook this on the stove, like over medium heat. Pour it, well not pour it, I'm going to use this little dropper that comes with these silicone molds and to put it all into my little bear molds. And then they go into the refrigerator for like about an hour. And then they come out as little gummy bear, little wine treats. So you guys, I love celebrating national food holidays. Last week it was National Slider Day. So if you missed that video, head over to my channel and check out my National Slider Day video. It's just so fun to celebrate all these random holidays. I don't know who makes them up, but I'm totally okay with it because it gives me an excuse to do fun stuff. And I'm wearing my favorite shirt, you guys. It is now like just about summertime. Love this shirt, love a little day drinking, but drinks well with others. Got this on Amazon also. I'll link my shirt and these little bear molds in the description box if you guys want to check them out on Amazon. Super fun. But anyways, I am going to get these gummy bear wine treats ready to go for National Wine Day. Okay, so these little bears have been in the refrigerator for about an hour. So they are just like in the mold. So I'll pop them out and I will give them a little try. All right, here it is, you guys. I don't know if you can really see very well, but I'll take a picture and I'll put it in here. But oh my gosh, cute little tiny bear. So I'm gonna pop all of these out. All right, I have all of my little wine gummy bears. You guys, they are so cute. Oh my gosh, let me have one. Tastes like wine, you guys. These are so fun. Such a really great way to celebrate National Wine Day. It has a really good wine taste with that extra sugar in there too. But super, super good, you guys. Oh my gosh. I hope you enjoy a glass of wine today for National Wine Day. If you ever want to make some wine gummy bears, they are super easy, you guys. So thanks so much for being here. I hope you have a really great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.